How to find Webtoon promo codes. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type charlieintel.com. Now tap on the search icon and search for Webtoon. Now click on Webtoon promo codes. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe also for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.